For your safety and comfort, we would like to draw your attention to the safety presentation. Mobile phones and other electronic devices must not be used during takeoff and landing, as they may interfere with the aircraft's navigational and communication systems. Hand luggage and personal belongings must be stowed in the overhead compartment or under the seat in front of you. Aisles and exit areas must not be obstructed. Your seatbelt is fastened like this and can be adjusted. To release, lift the metal clip. For your safety, we recommend you keep your seatbelt fastened and visible during flight. When oxygen masks drop from the overhead panel, pull one mask down immediately to activate the flow of oxygen. Secure the mask over your nose and mouth, tighten the straps, and breathe normally. Always attend to yourself before assisting others. Your life vest is under your seat. Slip the life vest over your head. Secure the waist strap around your waist and tighten. To inflate your life vest, pull the two red toggles firmly downwards. It can also be inflated manually by blowing into these red tubes. Your life vest is equipped with a water-activated light. Life vests for children under 4 years old are also available. Do not inflate your life vest in the cabin. It should be inflated upon leaving the exit. When you hear the command, brace, brace, do the brace position immediately. Overlap your hands behind your head and bend fully forward. Keep your feet close and flat on the floor. You are to maintain the brace position until the aircraft has come to a complete stop. In the event of an evacuation, follow the instructions given by the cabin crew. Emergency exits are located on both sides of the cabin. Emergency lighting systems in the cabin will illuminate to guide you to the nearest exit. Your safety instruction card is in your seat pocket. Please read it before takeoff. As this is a non-smoking flight, smoking is prohibited in the cabin and toilets. Before we take off, please ensure that your seatbelt is fastened, seat back upright, tray table secured, window shades open, and footrest stowed. Thank you for flying Air Macau, and have a pleasant flight.
各位贵宾，午安，欢迎乘坐澳门航空公司 NX Explorer 8号航班，由澳门前往台北，预计空间飞行时间是1小时25分钟。我们的机长是George先生，乘务长是Abby小姐。机舱门请关闭，请系好安全带，调至椅背，扣好小坐板，收起脚踏板，打开遮阳板，并请关闭包括手提电话在内的所有电子设备。为了确保飞行安全，禁止在非紧情况下触碰机舱门手柄及标示红色的机舱内紧急设备。航班全程禁止吸烟，包括使用电子香烟。在洗手间内吸烟会触动烟雾警报器，同时请头上包包含内陷阱及贵重物品。我们很荣幸与您一起飞行，祝你有一个愉快舒适的旅程，谢谢。Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome aboard Air Macau flight NX628, flight from Macau to Taipei. Flight time will be 1 hour and 25 minutes. Captain George is in command, and your chief flight attendant, Miss Effie. The door are now closed. Please ensure your mobile phone and electronic devices are switched off. Your seatbelt is fastened, seat back upright, tray table still, full still, and window shade opened. A safety-rated passenger are not touch aircraft doors, and all aircraft equipment with red warning labels under normal situation. Smoking, including e-cigarettes, is prohibited throughout the flight, and smoking in the lavatory will activate smoke alarm. We also like to remind passengers to take a good care of your valuable amount in the flight. We are grateful to fly having on board, and wish a pleasant journey. Thank you.
各位乘早上，歡迎過乘搭澳門航空公司 NX628號班機由澳門前往台北，預計飛行時間1小時10分鐘。我哋機長係 Greg 先生，乘務長係 Abby 小姐。目前機艙尾翼關閉，請各位扣安全帶，專業背靠直收接體同埋翻腳踏。 打遮光板，並請關閉所有電子設備，包括手提電話。為咗確保飛行安全，禁止非緊急情況下出入機艙冇網並及黃色標示嘅緊急設備。我們全程禁止吸煙、不呼少電子香煙、食手巾、兩吸煙將會遭到煙霧警報器。同時請小心看管個人財物。祝各位有一個愉快舒適嘅旅程，多謝。
Cabin crew, take your seats for departure.
各位贵宾，航机即将起飞，请您确保安全带已经扣好，谢谢。Ladies and gentlemen, as we're about to take off, please make sure the seatbelt is fastened.